Hello everyone, I have made this video for you all to know why you are subscribing my channel. Now, in the videos that I'll be making, you'll be getting detailed solutions of the exercises and tricky questions for better and improved results. I'll be considering textbook of mathematics science group from Karachi board and for grade 9 and 10 of course, and I'll be dealing with science and the general group both. And I'll be taking into consideration the Oxford book also for from the Cambridge and solving all the difficult questions and the tricky word problems also. There are so many students those who get stuck in the word problems. So I'll be helping you out in how to solve those questions for better understanding. The books that I'll be taking into consideration from Cambridge are these ones, the ones you can see on the screen, and past papers definitely I'll be solving, and examiner reports like these ones from different years I'll be solving for concept clearance. And not only Cambridge, but I'll be taking into consideration the federal board mathematics SSC 1 and 2 and HSSC 1 and 2. So in here we'll be solving question by question, and the papers objectives will be taken and subjective too. Okay, so not only federal board but Karachi board papers also will be solved. I'll be dealing with the grade 9 past papers and grade 10 past papers 11 and 12. And no matter where you are in at the moment, I'll be connecting you via Zoom, or it could be Microsoft Teams, or it could be Google Meet also. So availability of one-to-one sessions or group study if there are students from the same level in the different part of the world. There are many instances where I'm connecting with the students no matter where they are staying. And thanks for your time, and I'm making this video very short for everyone is busy, and just be kind to subscribe and share with the students and the parents alike. In comments I'll be requesting you to let me know which topics you are interested in, so that I can go and explain you those topics. And big thanks for all those who are already subscribed. Thank you very much.